Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the #1 requested video, home office ideas. This video is going to help you make your home office a destination you'll love. The space that I decided to upgrade for my office is a space that I have been using as an office space at the beginning of the pandemic. I kind of threw it together, but as time went on, I realized I needed something that would really inspire me, that would actually reflect my personality and create that all-important Zoom background. As you can see, the space is really kind of awkward and unusual. It's not a whole room, it's really a space nook. And many of my subscribers also have unusual spaces. Not everyone has an entire room. Most of you have a space or maybe even just a wall space. So this video is going to give you lots of ideas. There are a couple of things you really want to take into consideration when you're putting together your home office. #1, seating. You gotta have great seating. Storage. You want to create the kind of storage that's going to support you with being successful. Lighting, the correct height for your working surface. Last but not least, your ambiance. What kind of decor do you need to create the vibe that's going to make you feel inspired and motivated and like your home office is a destination? For my seating, I actually got this bar height stool from Target, but I didn't love the color. I loved the height because I had a bar height tabletop that I want to use. Instead, I made a slip cover from some remnants of mud cloth that I had left over from an art project. I also added some extra cushion on the seat. It wasn't the best, and because I'd be sitting there working from home, as you can see, it turned out pretty snazzy. If you have the wall space available, put up some motivational sayings. In my office, I put up a saying that, "And the adventure begins." On my pegboard, it says, "Go catch that dream." We all need a shot of motivation throughout the day. If you have this as an option, try to put your home office or your home nook, the place you're going to work, put it near a window. Natural light really makes a big difference. If you don't have that as an option, you don't have a window nearby, then make sure you use adequate lighting. The all-important ring light is a must-have because we're all working from home now and probably will be in the future. That ring light is going to give you that natural light. Make sure you pick the right kind. I'll put a link to the one that I use in the description below. Let's speed this baby up. You want to consider what kind of storage will be best for you and the work you do. I actually have another storage area in this space, so I have a closet that I converted to a storage area for my home office, so I don't have a ton of storage right around my desk area. This is a double closet that I converted to a home office storage area. I purchased a wireless printer so that I could print seamlessly from my workspace to my printer, plus hold books and files and just all the great things that one needs in a home office. Just a quick reminder, a couple of things you don't want to leave out in your home office space, especially during a pandemic. If you can put your home office by a window, do so. Organic, like a plant, aromatherapy, oils, candles, things that'll create great ambiance and scent in your space. The right seating, great lighting, that all-important ring light for those Zoom meetings, an external mic, if you don't have a good quality mic on your laptop or computer, the right table height for your work surface, and the kind of storage that's going to make you be successful. I know that you have a space that you can transform. It might be a whole room, it might be a nook like I have, but you too can create an office destination that you will love. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. And leave a comment below. Let me know what inspired you about this video. And if you have some ideas of videos you'd like to see, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to reply.